totally like to the end.
Yeah.
Yes.
If you thought you would beat
Absolutely.
Yeah, whereas in Australia,
You pick your mate.
you would never
You don't care.
voluntarily choose to live with someone that you didn't like.
Yeah.
I mean, there's
I
just
guess-
honestly, there's so many ways to play this game, and like,
Yeah,
it
yeah.
depends on who's
Yeah.
here and what's there. You know, it's,
In Australia, though, I guess you might not necessarily have a choice. You could want somebody to go home all the time, but it's Australia who votes, so they might like save that person every
Yes.
single time, all the way
well,
through,
that
and they'll win.
happens. That
Yeah.
happened to me. It happened to the girl that came third. Like she was
Yeah.
like up for eviction every week, and
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
makes
made it to the
through.
end. Yeah.
There's always
Right.
someone they like less.
Yeah,
Yeah.
There was like
exactly.
a guy and a girl who were like best friends
Mm.
who ended up dating apparently now. But
That was John Party, no?
That was the second season,
sorry,
yeah.
second season, and they took a girl who was like I guess hated amongst the whole cast.
Yeah.
He took right to the end, and when it was the two best friends and like the girl that hated, he voted off his best friend.
No way.
So he knew he'd win.
But they're now
and he
together.
won.
They started dating afterwards.
And
even
he
despite-
won.
Despite
Oh, so
that.
they did start
And he had a
dating.
girlfriend.
So she didn't take it personally.
Pretty sure he had a girlfriend
Obvious.
at home.
Oh,
Yeah,
so
he
it was
did.
like a
Yeah, he did have a girlfriend. that
showmance that turned
She
into
respected his
romance.
move,
Like,
basically. Like
I mean, I
she
get-
said she would have
that's-
cut him as well.
yeah.
Yeah,
they
right.
both were gonna win.
But at the same
against
time,
it.
I get it. Like, you're going through something here that no one understands unless
Right.
you've been through it. Like,
Yeah.
it's you can't talk about.
You're
this
all
stuff.
like a bunch of robots, like about the game. It's like, let's play a game. Strategy. Oh, that was
No, we still
that was
have
an
one.
insult.
Like,
Just like an observation that I made.
It's because the HOH competition just finished. or
Yes,
something.
yeah.
You missed out
Yeah.
yesterday. Like,
Yeah,
yesterday
you
was
missed
honestly
yesterday.
Such a chill day. Like,
Yeah.
Oh,
everyone
yeah,
just
cool.
Very
walked
calm.
out.
And that's
Yeah.
what's fun is like when the game's like put aside,
Yeah.
you just like hang out.
Absolutely.
Yeah, yesterday there wasn't that much.
Oh, sorry, that is broken. The dishwasher no longer works.
I had
Literally
that
does not turn
quesadilla.
on.
That's why I'm always in the kitchen. There's no doing
What the deuce? Are you kidding me?
I'm gonna lie down.
So like you literally don't have like chores, like it's
Really
just
now,
get in there,
everyone's
do
a
it.
little lighter.
Yeah, just take
I
care
think
of
if
the
nobody
house.
took initiative and did their own thing, man, then they'd probably sign them. I think. But
Yeah.
so far,
Yeah, I
no.
noticed that.
Yeah, there hasn't been too many complaints. so
Big
far.
brother, please come fix our
No, don't do
dishwasher.
that. Don't do that. I don't like that.
Yo, apparently last year the dishwasher broke. In the
Maybe
season.
because there's
I mean-
So maybe
issues
it's
going
on
through.
purpose.